talk about preparing this for the Derby.
We get down on this half-mile banked oval with 3 trucks, and we have to pack the frost down, then we have to pack the snow down, then we start building ice. It's like having Tonka trucks in the middle of a ginormous place.
Is that right?
And it's around and around and around and around, and thousands and hundreds of thousands of gallons of water, and
Yeah.
but we get her done.
And you
Takes
can
time.
start doing that in November?
If it's, last year we could, it was cold enough at the end of November, we got her going, yes.
Yeah.
Third week of January is the Derby, the Vintage World Championship is the second week of January, every year, pretty much like clockwork.
And 63 years ago, somebody said, oh, I think we should do this here?
The Lions Club. Yeah, it's actually the first year or two was done on Dollar Lake.
Yeah.
Then they moved it here. And it's been here ever since. And as far as I'm concerned, hope to God we can keep it here.
Right. Is there another place in the world that does this the way you guys do it?
You know, you can, if you're going to oval race, you can, there's a lot of great tracks around in Canada and the United States. But there's only one place to win a world championship. It's right here in Eagle River.
Yeah.
And it's been happening for 63 years. So it's
Yeah.
kind of like our track is the Indianapolis 500 of snowmobile oval tracks.
And how many people are racing when on
Wow.
that weekend?
Vintage, we'll see up to 1,000 entries, and Derby, we'll see up to 600.
Are you still racing?
I am not.
You
I
aren't?
retired 14 years ago.
Are you a world champion?
I am. Different form of racing, drag racing though, not oval racing.
Oh, is that right?
But I've been tied to this track all the years, so I guess me being one of the owners was kind of inevitable to happen.
Yeah. And do you, for pleasure, do you still snowmobile?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah. A lot?
We ride vintage skidoos, classic skidoos, modern skidoos, you bet, all kinds of stuff.
Do you have a few?
I own nothing. My wife owns a lot.
Does she?
Yeah, she owns about 125 skidoos.
What?
Yeah, there's something wrong with her. You're looking at it. I'm a problem.
Is she around? I want to talk to her.
Get in line. There's a lot of guys that want her. They'll tell me I got it way too easy.
Oh, there we go.